Welcome back to the Seated Tai Chi Challenge. The move of the day is Golden Rooster stands on one leg, but we're seated. So this is like a knee lift or like a tap. So we lift the knee and we can tap, physically touching the floor, or lift it up a little bit. And this knee lift is connected with lifting our hands as well. So the hands come up like this, above the knee. So we tap and the hands come up above the knee. They are coordinated and move together. So it is as if the knee is connected by an invisible string to the elbow, and the hand or the wrist is connected with an invisible string to the ankle. So as one moves, they all move. And you can choose to pull your toes back up towards you, or you can have them down like a tap. And we breathe in as we go up. We breathe out as we go down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Let this leg sink. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. There is a slight shifting from sit bone to sit bone. Both of your sit bones are still in contact, but a little bit of weight goes from side to side, the supporting side. So you want to settle in as you lift. Settle in, shift as you lift. We're not going to get off balance or try to balance on that sit bone, but there is a little bit of shifting to make this happen, to make this flow. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's add Golden Rooster standing on one leg, or Golden Rooster standing on one leg, or standing on one leg, to our Tai Chi flow for this week. We float the head, we sink, ergonomic seated position. Long, slow, deep breaths. Shifting the mind to be tranquil, calm, relaxed, and focused. Opening with lifting water, the hands float up and then down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in like water is lifting your hands without any effort, and then dropping them back down. Lifting up and we transition. Palms to the sky, turn to the left, roll back with the left hand, and up. Push, pull, turn to the other side, roll back the right, and up. Roll back hand, left and right. Continuous whirling arms. Last one, and then we hold the ball. Turn to the side, inhale, brush knee and push. Holding the ball, turning to the side, one hand rolls back and down, and up, turn to the front, brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out. You can breathe out through your nose or through your mouth with a sigh of relief if you want more stress release. Holding the ball, rotating the ball. Bottom hand comes up as we turn to the front. Top hand goes down as we ward off. Holding the ball, turn to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, turn, hold the ball. Exhale, turn, ward off. Hold the ball, turn to the other side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Hold the ball. Turn the palm of the top hand to your face. Turn to the side. Bottom hand goes up, top hand goes down. Turn the body to the other side. The hands come with the torso. Change again. Turning side to side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Make it more circular. Relaxing more. Shifting. Turning. Waving hands like clouds. And now the bottom hand is going to swoop in and lift up this ankle. Golden Rooster stands on one leg and then down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Now cross. Separate. Sink. Inhale, gather. Exhale, float down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Last one. Breathing out. Thank you for joining me.